is Dominic Daughtry, and I'm making this video because I want to show everybody how to make custom stamps that are your signature and are dynamic. So let's get right into it. The easiest way to do it is, what I've done right here is I have signed a piece of blank paper with my signature, and I've scanned it. So it's a color scan, and I want to input that into a signature, and then I want to put below it my actual name typed out, and then date and time. So easiest way to do this is go to markup, go to stamp, and you're going to create a stamp. And the author is going to be you, all that stuff, blank, width, that's fine. You can make it whatever you want to start as far as width and height. Press OK, and it's going to open this dialog box right here. So what you do is you go back to this, and I want to take a screenshot or a snapshot of this right here, and that's going to copy it, and I'm going to input it right into here. And this is my stamp template, so you can see the borders. It's 4 by 1 inches, and I'm going to right here in the left corner, upper left, and then I also want to add some text so people actually know what my name is instead of a couple scribblies. So I'm going to put that as dynamic, and I'm going to put user. So that's now my user, and then I'm now going to put another text box over here. I'm going to choose dynamic, and I'm going to choose date. So now I have my scanned signature. I've got my full name, which is my user, and then I've got the date. And I'm going to just align this a little bit better. And I'm actually going to reduce the size of this, bring it back just a little bit. And then I'm going to save as. It's going to be Dominic Stamp Signature. I'm going to close that out. And then I'm going to go to a COR that I want to sign, and I'm going to now go to markups. I'm going to choose stamp, and I'm going to go down to my Dominic signature stamp right here. I'm going to put that right here. And you can see right here, I've got my signature, my name, and the date. And it's simple as that. And you can do it with anything. You can make joint venture stamps. You can do personal stamps. You can do approved. You can do for construction. You can do anything you want. So I hope I've illustrated how easy it is to make custom stamps in Bluebeam. Have fun. Thanks.